Hi, Deb. I just wanted to, and Gina, maybe Gina's watching this too. I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about parts of term, specifically HS2. I spoke with Lauren McPherson, who is one of the coordinators at Larimer campus, and she works with the office manager there to set up some of her sections for HS2. And I have some stuff documented on here that I won't even address. So currently I know our sections are coded as HS, and that gives us until census date to get students dropped and to get some coding done with the absence of one of our students support coordinators possibly for this fall. We're wondering about changing some of our sections to HS2. So according to Lauren, that means that we would have this fall until September 21st to get coding done, students enrolled, drops that need to be made, etc. So it extends that window by 2 weeks. And I think the only thing we're not sure about at this point, even Lauren doesn't know this information, though she says they use HS2 every semester and she's never seen any effect on FLAC, but it wouldn't change the actual course. The course would still run as it usually runs, the 15-week semester. What Lauren is using it for is helping her team to complete the concurrent enrollment coding, which in this case would only be done on our team by one person unless Jamie trains Courtney and I to do some of that training. Excuse me, some of that coding. So I'm hoping that we can consider using HS2. I already have some schools in mind that I know Jamie would need extra time on. We wouldn't do it for all sections. I think we would do it where we have highest enrollment to ensure that the coding and everything for those courses is done properly. So I think what we need to find out is what happens when we have a course coded as HS2, but the instructor is still being paid for the regular 15-week semester. Is there a connection between the parts of term coding and the way that an instructor gets paid? And we're hoping that the answer is no. Lauren says she has never seen anything happen with flat contracts. She's never seen instructors not getting paid with all the other instructors, but I think we need to double check on that first. So this is me putting the information out there to you. We're really interested in using this because, you know, missing one team member means that there's more coding and other just, you know, sort of maintaining what's happening with the concurrent enrollment student accounts for the one staff person. So happy to have a meeting with you to talk through about through this with you. And let me know what you'd like to do. Thanks a lot.